A very good morning to all my dear students. I hope all are healthy and safe at home. Today, I will be taking English literature, and the name of the chapter is Pengu Pretends, chapter 15. Let's get going, class. You can see here it's written to pretend. It means to imagine something. So, all of us pretend sometime or the other. You may pretend that your toy car is a real racing car. You are imagining that. Actually, it's not true, but you are imagining. You are fond of imagining and explaining it to people. Or that your doll likes to eat and play with you. Or you can say you may like to pretend you are a superhero like the ones you see on TV. You are fond of explaining those imaginary things which is not true, but you make the people believe that that is true. Let's now read the story. It's a story of a penguin who liked to pretend. Her name was Pengu Penguin and she used to pretend, show off. She used to explain such imaginary things which was not at all true, but she liked to do that. So, this week, as in this story, what she had decided, Pengu has decided to pretend to be anything that began with the letter P. On the very first day of the week, on Monday, what she had done, she had decided that she is a pirate. She has imagined that she is a pirate with a parrot on her shoulder. Pirate is, students, a sea pirate who sails in the ship and they attack other ships to loot them, to steal things from them. There was a parrot on her shoulder and the parrot's name was Parry. Pengu and Parry searched the pirate ship looking for something to eat. What they did, they used to search the pirate ships and they used to look for something to eat. All they can find are bananas and pineapples. They are delicious. They pretended that they are sea pirates and they only looked for something to eat. Whatever they only got bananas and pineapples to eat, and they were delicious. They were tasty to eat. Now, on Tuesday, what she had decided to become? She decided to become a park ranger, and her job is to keep the park safe and clean. So, students, a park ranger is a person who takes care of the park, who protects it also, who preserves and protects. And so, this Pengu penguin decided to protect the park as a park ranger, and she decided to keep it safe and clean. So when she was taking rounds, she saw that there was a polar bear family who was having a picnic, and they invited Pengu to join them. Who invited? That polar bear family invited Pengu to join, and she gets to eat papaya, biscuits and fish with them. So Pengu had never tasted these foods before, and students guess what happened? She said they were delicious to eat. And students remember that during this week she has decided to pretend to be anything that began with the letter P. So she was showing off only. Let's see on Wednesday what she had done. On Wednesday, Pengu Penguin pretends she just imagine that she is a paratrooper. So, students, a paratrooper is a person who has been trained to be dropped from an aircraft with a parachute. Okay, so what she is imagining, she has pretended that she was wearing her parachute. Pengu jumps from a plane and she lands right into the middle of a pumpkin patch. As you can see in the picture also, this pumpkin patch belongs to Mr. Patel. He is very surprised to see a penguin in the middle of his patch, but he isn't mad at her. He is not angry at her. for smashing his pumpkins, for destroying his pumpkins. Instead, he offers her a piece of pumpkin pie, a bag of frozen peas, a peach, and a jar of pickles, and asked her to take home with her. Mr. Patel was not at all angry at Pengu, and just he was very surprised to see such a penguin in the middle of his pumpkin patch in the field full of pumpkins, but he did not behave in an angry manner for smashing, for destroying his pumpkins, but he offered her a lot of things like pumpkin pie, a bag of frozen peas, a peach, and a jar of pickles. And after receiving such things, Pengu thinks that the peach and pie are delicious to be eaten. She was very happy instant. So on the fourth day, that is Thursday, Penguin decided that she wanted to stay home with her parents and pretend that she was perfect at playing the piano. Her parents are pleased that she practices so hard the piano perfectly. They say she can go to the playground for the rest of the day. So Penguin was pretending again and again. On Monday, she pretended that she was a sea pirate. On Tuesday, she pretended that she is a park ranger. And on Wednesday, she decided, no, she was showing off that she was a paratrooper. And on Thursday, she just wanted to stay with her family, and she was showing off that she was perfect at playing the piano, and her parents were pleased that she used to practice piano so hard that she used to play it perfectly. So the parents of Pengu said that she can go to the playground for the rest of the day. So students, I will be continuing with the rest of the story. Till then, you all read this chapter again. I will be sending you the hard words and word meanings. Write them in the literature copy as homework. Thank you, students.